Welcome to AutoVibe. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most dynamic street motorcycles in the 150 cubic centimeters segment, the Yamaha MT-15. Since its debut, the MT-15 has captured attention for its aggressive design, cutting-edge technology, and performance-oriented engineering. In 2025, it continues to evolve as a top choice for riders looking for the perfect blend of power, mileage, and street presence. In this video, we'll explore everything from design and performance to handling, mileage, features, and whether it's still worth buying today. Sharp styling meets functional design. The Yamaha MT-15 is the embodiment of streetfighter styling. Inspired by Yamaha's global MT family, master of torque, it borrows design cues from its bigger siblings like the MT-03 and MT-07. The robotic face LED headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, minimalist tail section, and exposed mechanicals all scream aggression and power. This bike is built for the streets. Its compact proportions, muscular stance, and stealthy aesthetics give it a bold identity that appeals especially to younger riders. Whether you're commuting in traffic or cruising through twisty lanes, the MT-15 ensures you stand out wherever you go. Engine and performance, born to dominate the streets. At the heart of the Yamaha MT-15 lies a 155 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that produces around 18.4 PS of power and 14.1 Newton-meters of torque. The engine is equipped with Yamaha's VVA, variable valve actuation, technology, which ensures that power delivery is smooth and strong across all RPM ranges. The bike is mated to a 6-speed gearbox with an assist and slipper clutch. The clutch feels light, and gear shifts are crisp. The performance is sharp. The MT-15 can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just around 11 seconds, which is impressive for its class. Whether it's quick overtakes in traffic or weekend sprints on open roads, the engine delivers consistent and enjoyable power. Thanks to its refined throttle response and excellent engine refinement, the MT-15 is just as comfortable at low city speeds as it is at higher revs on the highway. Ride and handling, light, agile, and confident. One of the strongest traits of the Yamaha MT-15 is its lightweight chassis. Tipping the scales at just around 139 kilograms, curb, this bike is incredibly nimble and easy to handle in all conditions. The Delta box frame offers excellent rigidity, making cornering precise and stable even at higher speeds. The riding posture is slightly sporty, with rear-set foot pegs and a wide upright handlebar that gives you great leverage. It's not as committed as a full-fared sport bike, but still aggressive enough for spirited riding. In traffic, the narrow body and short wheelbase allow you to zip through gaps with ease. The USD forks at the front and monoshock at the rear soak up bumps well, offering a balanced ride. The suspension is tuned for a mix of comfort and control. Subscribe AutoVibe for more information.